Andhra Bank, an extension counter till yesterday, that is up to 31st October 2010, Indo-American Cash Institute extension counter has been upgraded from 1/11/2010 as a full-fledged branch. This branch will be called as road number 14 Banjara Hills branch, Hyderabad, and it will function as an independent branch with the name of Andhra Bank, road number 14 Banjara Hills, and it will cater the needs of all customers, and it will also give gold loans, personal loans, clean loans, vehicle loans, and all car loans, two-wheelers, four-wheelers, and other all types of industrial loans also. It will cater the needs of all types of borrowers, and as well as it will also accept the deposits on all types of deposits. It will accept, and there is a good deposit scheme, 775 days AB Fortune, which will be closed by 15th November 2010. I request all the customers and well-wishers and people who are wishing to invest, I request all of them to invest in this good scheme and earn good interest rate. In Hyderabad city, we have around 80 branches, and in and around, this comes under Hyderabad 1 zone, and in and around Hyderabad, we have another 88 branches under Hyderabad 2. To the customers, all types of loans, there is no bar, whatever loan with their requirement. This, even as an extension counter also, this unit is under core banking solutions, means it is having online banking and mobile alerts and internet banking, and all types of foreign remittances also now we can have, and Western Union money transfer also you can avail from this branch. Andhra Bank, it is a very good response. Because of the response only we could upgrade the branches, upgrade the extension counters, upgrade the branches with other foreign exchange facility, and now we have almost 1564 branches and 47 extension counters and 38 satellite offices and around 926 ATMs. Total comes to delivery channels, I can say 2575 delivery channels as on date. So it is catering the needs throughout the country. Interest rates now, it is for 1 year deposit interest rate is 7.5%, and for 775 days there is a scheme called AB Fortune with 7.75 rate of interest with fixed and reinvestment scheme. I request all the customers and well-wishers and the general public to avail the services of Andhra Bank, which is a prime bank in the country, and I request to extend all sorts of support to the bank to become more stronger, more bigger.